Hello friends, this is Colonel Ajay, CEO AjayAstromoneyGuru.com and first global astrofinance digital channel Ajay Astro Money Guru. Today is 26th of April year 2021, Monday. Friends, in this special episode, we shall be talking about the super moon, which is popularly known as pink moon also. The first super moon of the year 2021 will be started at 11:31 p.m. on 26th of April year 2021 at southeastern sky and set at 06:21 hours on 27th of April at southwestern sky. Now, one of the most important factor, the 3 consecutive supermoon will be in continuous 3 months. The first supermoon would be on 26th of April year 2021, while second supermoon would be shown on 26th May year 2021. Third supermoon will be seen in the sky on 26th of June year 2021. So therefore all 3 are one after other within 3 months. So this is a very important astronomical event which affect global stocks and commodities. The first supermoon will be brightest and the closest to the earth. During full moon, earth will be in between sun and moon. During this particular time frame, approximately 3,57,000 kilometer distance will be changed during this supermoon 26 year 2021. This is an important astronomical event for the earth and the water. As per financial astrology, supermoon affect bullion and the crude oil in the commodity exchanges. Whenever such event takes place, it is experienced the big movement in bullion and crude experienced as per the financial astrology. As per the financial astrology, today silver may show great bounce back from the lower level in the commodity exchanges or commodity market. Right now, gold and silver is being shown downward movement at the time of recording of this show. But as per financial astrology, anytime bullion may show great bounce back today from the lower level in commodity market exchanges. Crude oil, it is also an important commodity which affect global economy. As for financial astrology, next 2 days are very important for the crude oil, and the crude oil may also show positive movement in electronic commodity exchanges. Friends, you can contact us for the financial astrology research on stocks and the commodities. Good luck, happy trading.